calculating work from graph. Okay, so suppose we are provided a fs graph. Okay, suppose we are provided an fs graph. This is displacement s and this is f, and the force is like this. Force is like this, and this is given, the points are given. Suppose this is 2, this is 4, this is 6. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so these are the distances. Then this is force value is, suppose this 2 Newton, this is 4 Newton, and this is 6 Newton. Okay, so we have to find work done by this force during this 0 to 8 meter displacement. So find work done. Find work done by force during displacement s equal to 0 to s equal to 8 meters. Okay, so we know that fs graph area gives the work, so we have to directly find the area. So in many of the questions you will see that curve is given in the form of expression, suppose like y equal to x square or y equal to x cube. So in that case, for finding area we use the integration, but in this case you can see it is not convenient to find area with the help of formula. It is more convenient to find the area by direct method, means by knowing this whole area is made up of what, you can say it is one trapezium is there and one rectangle is there. So by adding these two areas, so that is more easier to calculate. Okay, so we can do that, or what we can do is we can find the total rectangle and then we can subtract this small triangle area. Okay, so we will not use formula here. So area is work is area here, and the area value is how much? Area value, so we can take the total rectangle. So rectangle is how much? 8 this side and height is 6. So 8 meter, 6 Newton into 8 meter. Okay, so this is the total rectangle up to 6 Newton point. Then this small triangle subtracted. So small triangle, if you subtract, that is how much? 2 Newton this side. So 6 Newton to 4 Newton. 2 Newton this side and 2 meter this side. So triangle. So 2 Newton into 2 meter. Okay, so I am just writing what are these points. So this region is suppose we call it this is A, this is B, C, D, E, and this is F. Okay, so this is area of E, F, C, D, and this is what? Area of triangle F, B, and A. Okay, so this we have to do. Now what we will get? So we are having 6 into 8, 48, 48 minus 2, so 46 joule. So this much will be the work done by this force. Okay,